Hi, this is Marimuthu Kanivari. You are watching live for HSE Mindset live. So today we are going to see the safety officers interview preparations. So when you have safety officers preparations, you have it. So it's better to have a proper way of approach. So when you have a proper way of approach, then only you can improve the standards. So normally for enhancing the safety officers skill, so you have to improve lot of things during the interview preparations. The safety officer's interview is an art of skill. So you need to improve and prepare yourself for lot of things, because the safety officer is not just other job as like a clerk or engineer or project engineer like that, because these totally a different way of approach required being a safety officer, because most of the people failing during the interview side because of their lazy or sluggish attitude like other interviews. The safety interviews normally, normally expects lot of skills and braveness, boldness, communication, everything. So here we are going to see the safety officers interview preparations, how you can prepare for the safety officers interview, because the safety officer interview is must those who are going for a interview side, because a clerk job is different, an engineer job is different, or some other post is different. But when the safety officers, the personality is very important. Communication is very important. The way of dressing is very important. How you are facing the people is very important. How you are bravely talking is very important. Your body language is very important. Being a safety officer, you must have these kind of the qualities you have to exhibit. You have to exhibit in front of the employers. When you are confident enough, then only they will give the reputation safety officer job, because the normal routine safety officers, small things like construction industries and all different, but the most reputation safety officers is like a brave police or military personnel, because that kind of things only people expecting. So the safety officers interview preparation, the first one is key definitions you must know. What are the three key definitions you must know it? Safety, hazard, risk. What is safety? What is hazard? What is risk? These three definitions they normally ask you. Any one questioner or interviewer they will ask. So what is safety? It's a way of protection of the people from the unexpected dangers. A way of protection from the unexpected danger from the workplace. Either it's an accident or illness. So this kind of simple way of communication, it's a safety. Then what is hazard? It's something potential to cause a harm. Something potential to cause a harm. So that is the hazard. What is risk? Risk is the likelihood of hazard. So like electricity is a hazard, but the likelihood is shock. So that is the something potential to potential having the likelihood of hazard. That is risk. So when you are preparing for the safety officer interview, you have to prepare first the definition of safety, hazard, risk. Then how to prepare. So how to prepare means how yourself you can prepare during the interview. So know the yourself, because when you are working in that company, so you have to know the basics. Know the basics. So how you have to behave, how you can talk, how you can professionally talk, know the basics of the safety and basics of the company. Then number 2, study your role. When you are going for an interview, you have to study which role you applied. What are the roles and JD of that role, that safety officer's role? Job, responsibilities. We can call it as a JD. Okay. So job duties. So the JD you have to just read thoroughly. You can read it. Then what you have to review your experience. So you have to review, because you before you worked 2, 3, 4 companies. It means they will ask from your resume itself what you have written in that resume as an experience. That experience they will ask. So you cannot give simply a wrong answer or statistically wrong thing, because that's a resume prepared by you. So when you worked and when you resigned, and what are the jobs and responsibility of that company, so what is the background of that company, so how you work, these are the things you have to review yourself. Then only you can prepare yourself, because the interview people, they will see your resume and ask your previous company's detail from your side. So that time you have to review your experience, is a must one. Then research the company. So before going for an interview, research the company. So what kind of company it is, what is its company's background, go to their website, and what are their activities, where they locate, everything about the company you have to research. And keep in mind, when the interview people, they are asking about the company, means you should not tell I don't know, because nobody likes the answer of I don't know. So you have to tell about the companies, what you understand the company, what kind of your understanding about the overall company, you have to give the answers to the interview people. Then practice common questions. There are safety interview means normally there are continual questions are there. Normally in the market or in the websites you see, there are lot of the questions are there. You practice yourselves the questions. What kind of means basic technical safety questions you can practice. That question definitely you can get an idea. Then dress professionally. So because as I said, it's a professional job. The safety officer job is a professional job. So you have to brave, you have to bold, you have to communicate clearly, and then you must speak eye to eye contact. you have to contact eye to eye to the interviewer. Then you can speak with the professional dressing is must. So when you have a white and black pant and white shirt and with a tie, so the basic things, it's not, you need not to have the ornaments and any other extra things in your body. So simple dress, it means the professional dress is everyone looking. You don't need extra makeup or extra over casting, then over armaments, anything not needed. Just be professional. Simple be professional dress is required. That's what interviewer expecting. Then, so these are the things you must know it. So second one, common interview questions. What are the common interview questions? Normally in the safety, as I said, safety officer interview is totally different from the some other people's, some clerk job, engineer job or any kind of jobs is totally different from the safety officer. So that's why these preparation definitely required to get a good reputation job. The safety officer job or safety engineer job, even safety manager job in reputation company is important. So in that case, so you have to prepare yourself. They will ask, tell me about yourself. So tell me about yourself means you have to tell positively, honestly what you have. You don't want to exaggerate or elaborate. You can tell what simple, honest answer to the interview people. When you give simple, honest answer, because you don't need to show your, expense, your overall wealth or overall background. It's not required. You have to tell simple, honest answer where you are coming, what your father and mother, then what about your sister and brothers. So these things you can simply answer, make it simplicity. The simplicity is always people like. When you exaggerate, people never like. So make a simple answers and honest answer about your family, yourself. Then why do you want to be a safety officer? Why do you want to be a safety officer? Because some jobs are highly professional jobs. So the safety officer job is a highly ethical, moral rights, because other job is different. You are saving the people, safety. You are saving the property. You are saving the employer, property and people. You are saving the environment. You are saving the earth. You are making the sustainability. So that's why you have to tell them, I want to serve the nation, or I want to serve the world or nation. I want to be a moral, ethical server to that country or the people. So that's why I want to be a safety officer. In the safety officer, I may serve the people for saving the people, saving the property, saving the environment, saving for next generation, sustainability. So these are the things you can tell. That's why I want to be a safety officer. Then key responsibility of a safety officer. So you have to know it. Sometimes the interviewer, they may ask, what are the job responsibility of a safety officer means. You have to tell the safety officer main responsibility to protect the people from imminent danger and to protect the environment from the various pollutions, and then to protect the entire, give the awareness and making the HSE culture around the area. So these are the key responsibilities: planning, inspections, auditing, lot of things are there. But you can tell the key responsibility, as I told, so that is the key responsibilities. Then what do you understand HSE? Then you have to tell what is H, what is S, what is E. H is health, S for safety, E for environment. So what is what do you understand about HSE means it's an integrated form. The health of the environment, health of the people, health of the health and sanitation of the location, then safety of the people, safety of the location, environment, the environment, protecting the environment and making the pollution free in that area. That's what we are telling HSE. It's an integrated form of health and safety and environment. So you have to tell them like that. Then, what is hazard? What is hazard? Give me an example. As I told you, what is hazard? Hazard is something potential to make a immediate harm. Something potential to harm or immediate harm or illness. So electricity is a hazard. Something potential to cause harm. Something potential to cause harm. So electricity is a hazard because if someone wrongly touch it, then there will be a shocking or fatality or major incident will come. So that's why it's a hazard. Then what is the difference between the hazard and risk? This question is normally will ask, as I told you in the beginning itself. What is hazard? And then example we have seen. What is the difference between the hazard and the risk? Hazard means something potential to cause harm. Then risk, the likelihood of hazard to cause a harm. So likelihood of hazard to cause harm is risk. So that is the risk part. So you can give the shocking, electricity shocking. Electricity is a hazard, shocking is a risk, fatality is a risk. So shocking is the risk. Then you can, so these things they normally ask. What is accident? Then what is incident? These questions normally they will ask. Then how you can prepare the, how you can do the incident investigation. Incident investigation. So you have to elaborate it. So how patiently you will do the incident, what is incident, then how you will do the incident investigation, that means how you will do root cause analysis, that thing you have to tell them. And then you have to tell how to conduct the incident investigation, and then what is accident, the causes of accident, and then you can explain the how you will do the safety inspections. Normally these questions definitely they will ask. The safety inspections is an art. When you start the safety inspection, you have a checklist. You see each workplace when you are visiting, not through the vehicle, through walk. When you are visiting each and every workplace and ticking the whether it's all, it's all following the rules and regulations of the safety, and as per the standard you are inspecting. That's important. Whether what kind of standard inspecting, it's okay, but whether you are inspecting the fire and safety and workplace, there are various things are there. Health, safety, environment side you are auditing or you are inspecting. That you have to elaborate in front of the employer or interviewer. So health side, the first aid boxes you will inspect, and also the people sanitation health side you will inspect. Then safety side, fire alarm, fire extinguishers, and then exits, assembly points, and then overall the housekeeping. So these things you can tell about the safety. Then environment side, how whether they are saving the water, electricity, and fuel, and environmental housekeeping, is there properly oil used, then proper noise control is there or not, pollution control is not there. So these things you have to elaborate in front of the interviewer. That means health, safety, and environment. So that is the HSE part. So you have explained safety inspection, then safety culture. So interviewers, they will ask about the how you will promote the safety culture around the industry. This definitely, these questions they for any interview, how you promote the safety culture throughout the industry. It means you have to tell them there will be a pamphlets, there will be a notice, there will be a notice board awarenesses, signboard awarenesses, and communications, toolbox tasks, trainings, and keep on giving the motivational most motivational talks about the HSE. So I am keeping on encouraging the people to follow the HSE. For example, to report the any accident, incident, near misses immediately to the HSE. The near misses is very important. Whatever near misses happen, immediately they will report to the safety department or concerned supervisors. So I'm always, you have to tell them interviewer, I'm always proactive to improve the safety culture in my project site. So that means how you will do, as I said now. So okay, so then in case PPE not wearing, then how you will take an action. These also some questions. For interviewer, they will ask. So okay, when you are going to the site, one of your employee not wearing the helmet and working, or not wearing the safety boot is working. What you will do? So you have to tell them, I will, first time there is a penalty matrix. First time verbal warning. Second time written warning. Third time, what is the third time? There will be a penalty of the salary cut. Then the continuous repetition, the 5 times is there. 5th time, then suspension or dismissal if it is continuously doing. So there will be a penalty matrix for each and every industry for HSE. In that penalty matrix, you have to tell them, based on the penalty matrix, we will do the safety violations. For example, not wearing the PPE. First time always I will ask the people to give the more awareness and telling that what is the importance of wearing the safety PPE, and you have to wear this, all the awareness I will give, but the second time only I will start this penalty matrix. Wherever the first time, I will just give the awareness. So I will not pose that much penalty. I want safety culture. So if not at all wearing the PPEs, I will always give the awareness and good relationship, fashions to to improve the safety standards and wearing the PPE. So that's why the first time I always give the training from the second time onwards, they have a PPE, it means HSE violation matrix that we will implement, that you have to tell them. So these are the, we can say 12 common interview questions. Based on this only, the safety interview questions will come. So tips means you can, there will always be, always give the real experience. Where if there's something they will ask about your safety knowledge means, then you have to tell in previous company what really done you have done, what happened in an accident, what happened in an issue, then how you resolved that issue, and then what is your role in that. You can boldly, you can explain in front of the interviewer. And then say you have to tell that safety is a mindset. So you have to show them in front of the interviewer. You have to show them because you have a always safety mindset. So you are not deviating anything from the safety. So you have to show them from the first minute onwards, saying that safety mindset is important. So always keep a quality discussion, keep quality communication, good communication important, braveness important. Always speak about the what you know. Don't speak what you don't know, and also don't elaborate more about you. Always speak honest, simplicity, truth, and then previous real experiences and the professional way of approaches. So these all the things make you a perfect interview pass. That is the safety officers interview preparations. So when you follow all these things, definitely it will make a good safety officer interview, and you will be placed definitely, because your communication skill must be established. Your problem solving ability must be established. Your professional personality must be established. So these things you have to establish and give proper communication. Whatever language you know it. If you don't know English, you know the normal language, then tell them, I know only local vernacular languages, either Hindi or English, sometimes English or sometimes Philippines, and also sometimes Arabic, or sometimes we can say different languages, wherever you located. You don't know English means don't bother about it. Just what language you know it, tell the interviewer, I know this language, I am very comfortable about this language only, I can speak like that. So these things enough. So boldness, braveness, communication, professional attitude, that kind of things is required for a safety officer's interview selections. So that is the end of the safety officers interview preparations. So thanks for viewing. That is the end of our sessions. We have some other sessions also. Continuous live programs are there in our channel. So still you didn't subscribe it, share it, like it. Then when you are subscribing only, we can improve lot of live programs and HSE updates. So for keep on watching the channel, there are lot of HSE courses is available in our channel, in our playlist and video session, and the courses are there about the different topics. So go through it. Definitely it will give lot of information about the HSE, and then you can enhance your career by visiting and studying more about this. So still you have any doubts about this, just give comments and write the comments about what you required Any questions, you just ask. I will try to answer for that. Thank you very much for watching. We will see some other live program. Thank you.